Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off customize this phone to get personalized content in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings and then click on customization service. Now here in customization service you will see a on off button on the top. So if you want to turn off customize this phone to get personalized content, then turn off this button and then click on stop. And if you want to turn on customize the phone to get personalized content, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off customize this phone to get personalized content in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.